beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy, and today I'm bringing you my 5th update on the 2025 Years of Usage Eyeshadow Project Pan. This project was originally created by Sarah Catherine in 2021, and I've been participating since then. So yes, this marks my 5th year working on it. The goal of the project pan is to use the eyeshadow in the project 25 times as we are in the year 2025. Most of the eyeshadows I've worked on have already hit their goal of 21 uses. However, there are a couple of exceptions. The You Can Be Dreamland eyeshadow palette, I didn't quite meet the usage goal here except for one eyeshadow, and the Decaloo palette, this one is new to the project, so this one will take more time to reaching the 25 use target. I'll be sharing more details and progress updates in this video, so let's get into it. I have 15 eyeshadow palettes in this project with a total of 200 eyeshadows. So far, I've hit my usage goal on 86 eyeshadows. I miscounted in my previous update. It is 86 and not 85. And I've completely met my goal in 5 full palettes. You didn't get to see the 5 full palettes earlier because it's no longer part of the project. That means I still have 124 eyeshadows left to work on spread across the remaining 10 palettes. For this update, my goal is to hit usage on at least 15 more eyeshadows. I've been focusing primarily on 6 specific palettes, either because the eyeshadows have the least number of uses or because I'm really close to hitting the goal. Some only need 1 or 2 more uses to reach the 25 use mark. So I'm hopeful I can make good progress. Let's start with the I Heart Revolution Lemon Drizzle eyeshadow palette. Before this update, I only hit goal on 1 eyeshadow, and that is the shade Lemon Slice. But I'm excited to share that during this update, I managed to hit goal on 7 more shades. The ones that I reached goal on are Just a Bite, I used that twice. Sugar, I used that 3 times. Citrus, I used that 2 times. Fluffy, I used that once. Tempting, I used that 2 times. Sunshine, I used that 3 times. And Tangy, I used that 3 times. That brings me to 8 eyeshadows in total with goal met in this palette. There are still 10 eyeshadows left to work on from this Lemon Drizzle eyeshadow palette. The one with the lowest number of uses is currently 22, so I'm pretty close to reaching the goal on the rest. Just a few more uses to go. Next is the You Can Be Dreamland eyeshadow palette. Before this update, I hit goal on 1 eyeshadow, the shade Supreme. This was the only one I hit goal back on 2022. For this update, I'm excited to share that I've now hit goal on 1 more eyeshadow, the shade Goddess. I used that one just once, but it's officially hit the mark. This palette was actually the second most used palette for this update with a total of 20 uses. The Lemon Drizzle palette took the top spot with 23 uses. Other shades I work on this update include Eden, Passion, Fresca, Inspire, Aphrodite, Celestial, Ethereal, and Botticelli. The lowest number of uses in this palette is currently 14, so it's going to take a bit more time to hit goal on the rest of this, but I'm still making solid progress. Next up is the ColourPop Through My Eyes palette. Before this update, I hit gold on one eyeshadow and the shade is Sandalwood. For this update, I only managed to hit gold on one more shade and the shade Muse. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow in this palette and I use it twice to reach 25 uses. I also work on the shades In a Wink, Emerald Dream, and Moody. The lowest number of uses in this palette is currently 21. I'm getting closer to hitting gold on this. Just need a few more uses. Now, onto the Beauty Glaze Perfect Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. Before this update, I already hit gold on 9 eyeshadows. The 9 eyeshadows are Muse, Apricot, Venus, Scarlet, Neutral, Sienna, Mud, Clay, and Black. For this update, I'm happy to report that I hit gold on the rest of the shades. So for Cashmere, I used that twice. Peachy, I used that once. Mais, I used that once. Bisque, I used that 2 times. And Glaze, I used that once. This palette is officially complete in terms of hitting gold on all shades. So I've now 1 eyeshadow palette less in the project. Next is the Decaloo Mini Sunset Palette. I haven't hit gold on any of the shades in this palette yet, but I did manage 14 uses in this update. The lowest number of uses is currently 4 and this is for the shade, this shade, the second shade, and the highest is 12 and it is this shade, the 4th shade. Still a lot of work to go here for this palette. For the Makeup Revolution Soft X palette, before this update, I had already hit gold on 6 eyeshadows. The 6 eyeshadows are Penguin, Pink Champagne, Sparks Fly, Mixed Berries, Pumpkin, and Strawberry Sweets. For this update, I hit gold on 4 more shades. Grow Old, I've used that once. Tiramisu, I've used that once. Pine Tree, I've used that once. And Pug, I used that once. That leaves me with 14 shades to work on. The remaining 4 palettes in the project are Pure Soleil Diaries, Winky Locks Kitten Palette, You Can Be Belonging Eyeshadow Palette, and the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani Eyeshadow Palette. I did not get a chance to use the Pure Soleil Diaries and the Winky Locks Kitten Palette during this update. As for the other 2, You Can Be Belonging Eyeshadow Palette, I hit gold on 2 more shades, and that is for the shade Breakaway, I used that once, and Double Life, I used that twice. I've already hit gold on 6 shades in this palette, which means a total of 8 shades are now at 25 uses. The lowest number of uses is 20, and it is for the shade Weekender. This one, I actually hit pan on the shade at 15 uses, so it counted as goal achieved. But for this year, I want to get to 25 uses on all of the eyeshadows. So even for those with pan already showing, I still am using up to 25 uses. And then for the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani eyeshadow palette, I hit gold on 1 more shade, and that is for the shade Steady. I already hit gold on 7 shades, and the shades are Blonde, Baby, Anaheim, Start, Zone, Serious, and Blackout. That leaves me with 7 more shades to work on, and the lowest number of uses is 22. And that wraps up the update on the 6 palettes I'm focusing on, as well as the rest of my ongoing progress on the 4 palettes. I'm really happy with how things are shaping up and excited to keep pushing forward. For this fifth update, I hit goal on 21 shades, leaving me with 93 shades still to hit the 25 views mark. I also have one less palette to work on now since the Beauty Glaze Perfect Neutral palette is officially out of the project. For the next update, I don't have a specific focus palette, but I'll continue working across all of them and see where I can make the most progress. Thank you so much for watching. Your likes and support truly mean the world to me. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye for now.